Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we're going to be playing with the newest palette from Sugar Drizzle. This is Plumeria Dragon. I did receive this in PR. This palette drops Saturday, August the 26th at 11 a.m. CST. It retails for $40, but of course you can use my affiliate code Steff10 and that will give you 10% off of your order. Let's take a sneak peek inside this gorgeous palette so you can see this beautiful color story. In here you're getting 12 different shadows. There are 5 mattes and 7 different shimmer shadows. This is going to be primarily a pink mauve color story with of course a beautiful pop of turquoise. I cannot wait to dive into this palette. Today I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys. I'm going to owe you all a 3rd look. The reason why I'm not doing 3 looks is because I have a lot to film today before I head out of town tomorrow. So 2 looks today, and I promise a 3rd will be on the way later. I've already primed my eyelids with, of course, my favorite eyeshadow primer of the moment, which is also from Sugar Drizzle, and it's only $7.50. I would definitely add that to cart in case you are interested in picking up Plumeria Dragon when it launches this Saturday. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff and I love trying new makeup, especially indie makeup, colorful makeup. If that all sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are a fan of Sugar Drizzle, Plumeria Dragon, you just want to see what this latest palette from Sugar Drizzle is all about, give this video a thumbs up before you go. Everything that I'll be using in today's video will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create and how Plumeria Dragon is going to perform, keep on watching. Okay, so where do we want to start with this? I love that gray down there. I'm kind of thinking I want to start with this gray. Let's go for this one first. I'm going to put this in the crease, Puff of Smoke. And I'm taking Puff of Smoke on a Singe Beauty E03. Now, I want to compare this palette to another one that crossed my mind, also from another favorite indie brand, so I'll do that in the review portion of the video. But when Nikki dropped the cover art, I was very intrigued. I was like, that looks so cute. And then, of course, when she revealed the color story, I was like, I'm all in. I'm ready to try that. That's why I'm wearing like a pink and orange today. Kind of thought it would complement this palette. I love this like taupey gray shade. We don't often see a shade like this. We usually get more warm tones, so I'm happy to see a shade like this in this palette. Now on a Singe Beauty E02, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called On My Wings. I'm going to focus that out here and also bring it into the lower crease. Those shades are blending together really nicely. Alright, now for a shimmer shadow, I think I want to go in, actually let's go in with this one, Dragon's Breath. I'm taking Dragon's Breath on a Morphe M709. I'm not entirely sure which shadows are duochromes. This looks like it could possibly be one. I am getting some fallout with this one. So for the next look, I'm definitely going to lay down some extra primer. That looks really pretty. You can see there's like a lavender shift to like a rusty shade. Love that. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Slay. I'm taking Slay on a What's Up Beauty R107. I'm going to stop right there. That way we can do another shimmer shadow for that inner corner and lower lash line. Now I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Fire Kiss, and I'm going to take that on a damp What's Up Beauty R111. That is beautiful. I could probably even add, I'm gonna get a little bit of that with my finger. I'm gonna add it right here to the center. Oh wow, perfect. Kind of just ties everything together. I'm gonna add the finishing touches off camera. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. So here we go with the completed look number 1. For mascara today, I'll be using the one from Tower28. I'm actually almost done with this one. For the top lash line, I use this Sugar Drizzle Black Mermaid eyeliner. It's just a pen style eyeliner, and I'm actually almost out of this one as well. And then for the lower waterline, an LA Girl Neon Shockwave lip liner. This one is in the shade Pop. Easy look to create. I loved it. Did get a little bit of fallout, so I would definitely recommend a glitter glue, glitter primer, or even the Sugar Drizzle primer. If you add a little bit extra on there, it can act as a shimmer glitter primer. So let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for look number 2, I definitely want to use this beautiful teal shade. So I think I'm going to start here with Miss Dragon, and then I'm going to work my way over to Plumeria Dragon. I'm taking Miss Dragon on a Singe Beauty EO2, and we will work that in the crease. Now on a Singe EO5, I'm going in with the shade Plumeria Dragon, which is a brighter pink. I like how well those shades are like building up. These are some pretty good mattes. Now we're gonna go in with the blue shade right here. That one's called Dragon's Egg. And I am gonna lay down a little bit of the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna get it with my finger and apply it here. It feels like a hydrating primer, but it still has a tacky base to it. Now I'm using my Morphe M709 to apply. I think I'm going to keep this on the inner half right here. That way we can try another shimmer shadow like right out here. Wow, that is stunning. That is so pretty. I love pink and like teal together. I think that's so pretty. Obviously, that's how I redecorated my living room. I'm going to take a little bit of what's left of the glitter primer and apply it like right out here. And I think I'm going to go in next with this shadow right here called Dragon Scales. Ooh, that is fun. Look at that. And when they meet, they form like a purple shift. A little bit of fallout from this particular shade. Maybe I went in too aggressively with my brush, but wow, that's beautiful. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Relight My Fire. I'm just going to take that on a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I'm going to try using Dragon Fruit down here with that same brush. Don't know how light it will be, but I'm going to put that right here, and then I'll probably go in with something else. Well, maybe not. We don't always need like a bright inner corner. Sometimes just a colorful shadow will suffice. Okay, so I'm going to take care of the finishing touches. It looks like there might have just been 2 shades that I didn't get to use, so that's not bad. But I'm going to take care of those finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. So here is the completed look number 2. I love the way it turned out. For the lower waterline, I added an LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner. This one is in the shade Dragon. I think it perfectly complements the teal that's on the lid. I had a lot of fun with this palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so 2 looks later, 10 shades later, because I got to use 10 out of the 12 shades. I think from what's on the cover to what's inside, you do get a full-size mirror, is really cute. I think this is really different for Sugar Drizzle. This is a different color story than I guess what we're used to seeing from them, and I like it. I love all of the shades. I love how perfectly they complement one another. I love the pop of teal, the hot pink down here. I mean, pink is everywhere right now. So I thought the shadows performed really, really well. They swatched out well too. And if you're a collector, which I know a lot of you are, I think this is something you're going to want to have in your stash. Plumeria Dragon drops August the 26th, which is on a Saturday at 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off of your order, and it's definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. I wanted to compare this really quick to Gourmand Girls Warriors Wear Pink, because this is also a very similar color story in that it has that beautiful pop of teal, but the palettes are different. I feel like Plumeria Dragon definitely has some deeper tones in it. And let me just, let's see, this is always the hard part for me, trying to hold them up together. Let's see, can I do it? Can I do it? There we go. So here you can see, I think if you have Warriors to wear pink from Gourmand Girls, I don't know that you'll feel the need to pick up Plumeria Dragon. I mean, again, if you're a collector of both brands and you're going to have them both, but you can see there are some similarities. There are some definite differences. You're getting 15 shadows in the Gourmand Girls palette, which this one is in stock as well. And I do have an affiliate code with Gourmand Girls that is Steff, and it'll give you 10% off your order. This one is a 12-pan palette, and it has, I feel, like some deeper tones in it. So I'll leave it up to you what you feel you need to have or not have in your stash. But this is what came to mind from Gourmand Girls immediately when I saw the color story of Plumeria Dragon from Sugar Drizzle. Let me know your thoughts now, guys. Let me know which 2 looks you like best. Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if Plumeria Dragon is going to be in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.